Welcome, on sale today, Landrover Discovery 4, the XS 7-seater, 2010, nice miles, 76,000 miles, stunning colour scheme, really is very nice individual factory order colour scheme. If you have a look closely there, it's all HPI clear, it's come from the main dealers. It's had a fresh MOT, it's got Pirelli tyres all round. Absolutely stunning thing, offering exceptional value. Nice spec. I've got the detachable Landrover tow kit with the park sensors, and it is in super order on the paintwork. It really is very nice indeed, with the side steps, sets it off. And the tyres are all in super order as well. On the inside, there's your mileage, 76,289, with your Bluetooth, with your cruise, all your low and high range function in the centre there, with the heated leather seat pack, with the navigation. And everything, as you can see, is in just as nice order on the inside. Really has a very easy life. 2 keys. It's just had the belt service as well, which is what everyone wants on these. It's had with the receipt for that. And there into the rear seat section there, and again all the roof lining, everything, the door cards in fabulous order. So that's on sale today. Give us a ring, 01543 523 007. We're junction 11 to 12 of the M6 in Staffordshire, Cannock. Very easy access on the A5. 2 minutes off either junction, or we're 30 seconds off the toll road. We can get you from Cannock or Penkridge train stations if you need to travel. We can do UK delivery, we can do finance, we're FCA regulated, so we can shop around for finance based on your credit criteria. Part exchange, not a problem. Simply get in touch. Go onto our website, scsws11.co.uk, and that'll link through. We've got over 4,200 followers there now on the Facebook page, and we've got plenty of independently verified reviews on the car dealer reviews, which we're very, very proud of. Just check us out. Hopefully you'll come and see it at your leisure. Have a look round, have a test drive, do what you need to do, and we'll speak to you soon.